Hey guys, welcome to Life Elite Fitness day 24. Today we are showing you how to do a really quick 10-minute total body workout. Okay, so after stretching, we are going to kick it off with some body weight movements. So the first one we're going to do is push-ups, and we are going to do each of these exercises. We're going to do 20 reps and 3 sets. Moving right along into core, we are going to do some sit-ups. Just remember to keep your back flat and not to pull on your head if you have your hands behind your head. And finally, finishing it off with lower body, we're going to do some alternating lunges. Big thing on these is to remember to keep your core engaged, and with all the body weight movements, it's important to keep your core engaged and your body really in focus, making sure all of your muscles are participating and that you're not just kind of moving through the motions. All right, next we are moving into dumbbell work. So we are going to start with some simple chest press. And with this, we're going to do 20 reps, increasing weight each time. So we're starting off here. Daniel's just doing some chest press with 50-pound weights, and he'll move up in weight each time. Next, we're moving into a bent over row using dumbbells. So I started off with pretty light weight here, but you're going to increase in weight each time. 20 reps, 3 sets. Finally, we are doing one of my favorite workouts, which is hip thrusts. This is going to work your hamstrings and your glutes, and we did this on a Bosu ball, just to add a little bit more core work into it. And you can use any dumbbell weight that feels comfortable for you. This one, we're actually focusing a little bit more on core than we are on really like lifting a lot of weight on the glutes. So if you really want to get a lot of weight in, you'll want to use like a hip thrust machine or a straight bar. Next up, we're going to grab a resistance band, and again, we're going to be doing 20 reps, increasing weight each time, but if you only have one band, you can just do 20 reps and just kind of finish off your muscles on this one. So we're going to start off with a high row, working that upper back. Keeping with working those back muscles, we are doing a kind of a resistance band chest pull. I don't know exactly the term for this one, but basically you're going to extend the band in front of you. This is going to work your rear delt and a little bit of that mid back. Okay, finally, we're doing an outer thigh exercise. So this one, we're going to have the band around our outside leg, and then you're going to step out. This is really going to work the outer thigh. Also a little bit of core, because this does take a lot of core to not fall over. So that is the final movement. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. And we will see you guys tomorrow for Life Elite Christmas Day 25.